hit the go, goddamn it, the big Chicago, you know what I'm saying? I'm on my way to the airport right now, man. It's about to go down, man. And I know what y'all thinking, like, how you gonna go somewhere with your hair looking like that? That's because I got my mans on deck as soon as I get there, you know what I'm saying? As soon as I get in town, goddamn it, I'm going to get my hair cut, man. I'm going to get fresh to death, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'll see y'all when I get there. Ugly motherfuckers out of my way and shit, man.
You gonna be in that TSA line for at least an hour, nigga.
Nigga, I ain't finna be in no line for no hour. Best believe I know how to maneuver through shit.
Oh, so you gonna cut in front of them?
Yeah, I'm cutting, but get the fuck out my way, man.
Gonna go upside your head, nigga.
They better come correct. Go upside they shit.
Have a mob on your ass.
Let's do it, baby. We out. Time to get it in, you know. Ready to get home to my city, man. I haven't been there in a while. And I'm just ready to do, you know?
And then just leave your bag at the bottom on the right side. I'll bring it up to you so you can get off. Thank you. You're welcome. Good morning.
Let's put on there.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
I don't want you to.
Okay.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay, that'll work. That'll work, sir.
Chi-town, baby. We made it. Gotta go get my bag, you know what I'm saying? Get the hell out of here, man. Yes. Let's get it. Let's go. Finally made it, man. Let's get it. Hey, how's it going, buddy? Yo, about to go get my damn haircut, man. I waited a long time to get my haircut, man. I never wait this long to get my haircut, you know what I'm saying? But I told my homie, I was like, hey, man, I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, wait till I come into Chicago to get my haircut. So, about to go meet up with my homie Mello so we can look out for your boy. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. Let's go. Yo, check out the whip I'm in, man. Let's get it. Let's go. BM, baby. I'm in the BM on their ass. You know what I'm saying? About to do our thing, man. Let's kick it, baby. Let's kick it. Feel me? Yeah. Let's get it, baby. In a BM. You know, let it go and kick it with my homies, man. Go slide on my boys real quick, but first I gotta get my hair cut, man. Your boy looking kind of rough. I waited all that time to get my hair cut, so I'm just sitting here chilling, waiting on my homie right now to get to the shop, and I'm out, man. You know, I'm out. Boy up real quick, you know what I'm saying? Let's get it, man. What you doing tonight, man? We doing Sunday night, baby. It's my homie Mello, man. That's blood right there, you know what I'm talking about? Real talk. Hey, get at me later, man. Yo. Sitting here chilling, man, waiting for my cuz to pull up. Actually, my cousin Victor that's on The Voice right now, his big brother, you know what I'm saying, about to pop up real quick and chop it up with me, you know what I'm saying, before he go out of town. It's crazy that I come to town and he leaving town, you know what I'm saying? But it's all good as long as I get a chance to see him for a couple minutes, you know what I'm saying? That's all good, you know? So, yeah. See y'all in a minute, man, when cuz pop up. This motherfucker finally here, man, taking all day. What up, cuz? Hell nah, my motherfucking cuz, goddammit.
I be showing on YouTube.
Hey, this cuz right here,
what
man.
Up, though? What up, though?
What up, though? You got your gray hair too, huh?
Yeah, bro.
He say, your shit ain't gray like mine, though.
I think I got you.
Hell, no. I dyed this, motherfucker. I dyed the shit out this. Hey, y'all, my motherfucking cuz, man. This Vic brother, y'all.
Yeah.
This Vic brother, man.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me make
Victor
sure I got
Solomon.
this. Yeah, Victor Solomon, man. Y'all better vote for him next week, guys. Is it next week?
Yeah, next week.
All right. Ooh, I might lock myself out, man. Oh, we good. Where you just come from, man? You bought me some shoes or something? And I say Chris Murray.
Just shopping for my daughter.
Oh, for her birthday?
Yeah, we gonna head to Atlanta.
That's what's up, man. We about to go to Atlanta. I'm in Chicago. He about to go to Atlanta. You know what I'm saying?
I ain't know.
It's all good. I ain't tripping. Hey, I like where you at over here.
Yeah.
What up, Shane? Yeah, I like where you at over here. Yeah, it's cool. It's smooth as hell. Nobody outside or none of that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, right now.
It's
daytime.
quiet as hell.
You gotta come
Oh, for real? Yo, shit, I used to live on Crystal. Over there.
Yeah. Potomac, right?
Yeah, off Laramie. And
on the second floor.
yeah, on the second floor. But nigga, in the summertime, you go outside, nigga, everybody mama out there. Yeah, man, you know I had to come chop it up with cuz real quick, man. I was supposed to got up with him last time I came to Chicago. That was what, about a couple years ago?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, you better not post that motherfucking picture. Boy, I said, whoa, where you get this from? He had a jewel on my ass, y'all. Hey, he had a motherfucking secret weapon for me, man.
That whole group.
When you wild as hell, he said, nigga, I'm on the college hit list. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. Y'all don't know right now, but I'm gonna tell y'all in a minute. This fish had babies. I'm like, what a fish at? They had one. Where? Oh, I do see it. Y'all see that little motherfucker? Oh, there go the big boy right there.
That's another one up there. She pregnant again. Well, not pregnant.
So that's the male right there? Damn. Hey. I gotta get me a fish tank, man. What's this, like 40 gallons? 55? Yeah, that's dope.
I love my fish. They got, I normally have Oscars, but those
That's a little, what's that right there?
that's a shrimp.
I'm like, what the hell is that?
That's a shrimp.
Y'all see that little shrimp right there, little half-eaten shrimp? All right, cuz, I'm hollering to you later, man. All right, for sure, man.
Freeway could save me a lot of money. What's their number? 800-789-3939.
Private savings, restricted supply, liability premium. The world around us is moving fast, but at Olive Harvey College,
Here she is, clean as a whistle. 2010 Malibu LT. You know what I'm saying? She is nice and clean. See y'all, see her, check her out. You know? But yeah, she is nice and pretty.
Alright guys, we know
Finally got the car, baby. Heading back to Minnesota. Let's get it.